What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack a game with Lucky Patcher, but I don't have it on my phone. If you're thinking we're going to hack this game here, Stranger Things, that movie you guys should check it out on Netflix. It's a good movie, and you should ask your parents first. I know I'm a kid and I can watch it. It's not that scary, but you have to ask your parents permission first, because it kind of says Bowers, and I don't know, but don't talk. Okay, what's that? Oh my god, I can't even talk. Don't live about it. Right now, I've been watching, like, I don't know. If you want, guys, I know if you have Lucky Patcher, it's gonna say that you can't find it. But if you go to up to oh my god, up to down, and you tap this. I know a lot of games that you can just get. And you just want to tap Lucky Patcher. Oh, you're going to just tap Lucky, because if you just tap Lucky, it's just faster. Okay, you want to go to here, Lucky Patcher, and there's another one, but if you tap if there's nothing, if they don't have this and has that red thing, don't tap it. It's not the right one. When you tap download, you're just going to wait, and then bring up to this. It might not bring it up to you because everybody has a different phone, guys. It works on every Android, like iPad, any kind. Then when it says that, that means it's downloading. Okay, when that's done, I'm gonna pause the video because it might take a while. I'll see you guys. Oh, never mind then. So you're gonna uninstall anyways. It's gonna say that. Stay forever. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video. I don't know why, but it says stay forever. I'll see you guys in a minute. Never mind. Oh my freaking god. Now you're gonna tap open. And you're just gonna tap don't show the dialogue again. And it's gonna like load everything, like all your games and everything like that. It's not going to like get inside your phone and put a virus on. No, it's just like scanning the games. And this is not the game we're hacking. You just want to go. Now you want to go to Play Store. If you guys can hear something in the background, I'm sorry. It's I don't know why. Now you want to do Storm the Train. If you guys want the game, you can hack any game. Not any game. You can't hack like games that are like Clash Royale, games that always update all the time. Even you can hack Subway Surfers, anything like that. I'm picking this game because this game is really cool. I like how it is, and yeah, you can hack this game too, and this one. You can hack all these games. These 3 games you can hack. And this game's almost a 5-star, so most people like to play it. And I will see you guys in a minute until it's done. Yeah. Okay, guys. If you guys are done like downloading it, now after that you're gonna quit it. You wanna go back. You wanna go to Lucky Patcher when you download it. Then you're gonna tap this. You wanna tap menu of patches. Then you're gonna create a modify APK file. Then you're gonna tap this over here. Don't tap this because it might ruin it. And you leave these 2 up. Then you're gonna rebuild that. Now it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna come back again because it takes forever. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Yeah. Okay, when it's done downloading, now you wanna go to Files. Then you're gonna tap Uninstall, and you wanna tap this. Then you're gonna tap Yes. If you guys see yourself in the background, it's my sister running down the hall. Okay, when that's done, you're gonna tap. When that's installing with the other app, this is the hacking. This is like APK. APK, yep. And this video is gonna be short. Yeah, I know. And then you're gonna tap uninstall anyways, install anyways. I mean, sorry. Then when it is installing, it's gonna might take a while, but it might not go fast. It might not go fast if you guys have bad internet. Oh, sorry about that. You're not meaning to put my phone like that. Then when it's done installing, you're gonna tap open. And it says game. Why am I saying that? Okay, don't mind that right now. And I don't know if you guys want to do like a Google Play thing. You can log in if you want. It's up to you. But I'm gonna do it anyways because if I get the game again, I can have all my weapons and everything. And tap OK. Down. Okay, sorry about that. If you guys can hear me, I just turned it down. Okay, when it does that, and it tells you what to do, yeah, I know. Alright, now when it says this is gonna, yep. God. Okay, let go or something. Let's tap. I cannot freaking, what am I going? Alright. Hold on. Alright. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now you're gonna give up. That's how far you went. It doesn't matter anyways. Tap continue. Now we're gonna wait for this, and I'm gonna skip it. 3, 2, 1, and skip it. It'll tell it's gonna make me do this again. Okay. Then type okay. Alright. Sorry about that. Then we're gonna tap this, get gems. Then you can get any gems you like. I'm gonna get this much. Then when it says that you're gonna auto repeat, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Alright guys, now it works. It actually works, so you guys can do how much gems you want. I'm just gonna do 10. Okay, now I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get some coins. Because you need coins. Okay, now you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna buy this dude. And you can do this. Now you can have Bob. Okay. Then you wanna go to vault. Okay, that's where you get all your stuff. Then alright. And you don't need, you can just like do whatever you want now. Cause you did it, you kinda like beat the game already. Like you're done. Yeah. Then if you guys want me to do an episode about Stranger Things, just swipe left or right. We do it now. Swipe in fridge. Okay. That's what the point is, yeah. Okay guys, this is what the point is. Like, if, yeah, it's doing this to my phone is because, like, I don't know why. But yeah, this is, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys want me to hack another one, tell me this is in the description down below. And hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Or tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Peace.